So right now I'm going to make this video about a village. Actually, standing right now, I'm standing Gazipur. This is backside of Gazipur. It is Upuzila of Kaliakur. Also, I'm standing right now a blank field. Actually, huge number of people in Gazipur city. They have been doing job of private sector. So, I think this is so tough to get this kind of natural view. So, my pleasure, video making has been my passion. So every week, especially every Friday, after getting a free time, in the time I capture such kind of learning video. So yeah, today my friend Robiul, he called for a coming house of his. So I have come. In the time, huge number of family members, they are telling try to go cake celebration near of Bandera. So most of people already they went to cross me. Right now I am alone. Cross feelings is reaching to the flashing point. What a pond we can call to prawn river, something like that. So actually, yeah. You know that I'm a lover of village, I'm a people of village, so I can't forget village love. I can't forget village view. So this is my pleasure. Also my pleasure. So standing right now, I'm standing under the tree. Huge number of tree is blowing right now. Leaves is dancing. So yeah. This tree has been made by government people. So forest people has been following the tree garden. So yeah, I'm going. Just I'm trying to capture and I'm going. So my pleasure, also my pleasure. So I think it is quite well. It is so tough to know. So I have no special time. I have no special time to do it. So that's why I'm doing. So standing my friend right now. On me, brother. On me, dekhani, daran. So right now I'm showing a gentleman. I'm showing my favorite person. Actually, he is a strong person, solid mentality, great. All the time he is new, motivated person. All the time he is inspire me. Brother, don't worry. Try to stay with me. Today or tomorrow we will begin. He's my. If I do something like a wrong way, if I do something like a wrong way in the time, he is telling, brother, don't worry. Life is quite tough. Life is quite well. So everything will be easy. Just take it easily, then it will be easy. So I'm pleasure having him. This is my pleasure because I'm having him. You know that I'm a people of Shazgon, but this is city of Gazipur. I have no friend without him, especially. But there are a huge number of friends. But I can feel very well at the time of standing with a lot of friends. That's why sometime after getting a free time, I try to meet him because he is a great mentality. He's a solid mentality. So yeah, we can call to him as a hero of Bollywood. All the time, he is an upbeat person. So yeah, my pleasure. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Have a evening time. This is quite evening time. Huge number of people they are going here across. Here has a cake celebration. So that's why we have come. My little brother Baba. Wow, what a nice kiss. But he is not interested to do it. That's why he tried to recover the leaves. Thank you very much. Bye.